I'm here to do my POPSUGAR unboxing for the fall of 2018 and show you what all I got in my box. I'd love to hear if you got different items, or if you had anything to say about the quality or colors or different things, nuances between the boxes. Definitely love those kind of comments. If you're not familiar with the POPSUGAR, it comes with this little kind of booklet, and it kind of tells you some discounts that you could get if you wanted to, get anything in the box. And there's a little note from Lisa Sugar, POPSUGAR. I think Lisa Sugar is the founder. I'm not sure how to say this, but it's a Soya and Cayo Larissa scarf. And this is the picture that they send in the booklet of it, so you can see like how you might wear it with an outfit. It's wrapped up in here. It's really soft. It's very nice. I definitely will be looking for excuses to wear this. It's so nice and feels so lovely. So, and that's that. I'm not sure that that's showing as well as I'd like it to, but it's beautiful and feels amazing. So I'm just going to kind of go in order of what's on top in my box and go to the bottom, not necessarily in any kind of order of value or like or dislike or anything like that. Just kind of how it came to me in the box. So this here is Casserie phone pocket stick-on card holder. And coincidentally, my phone is, I have a rose gold sort of OtterBox. So it's so, we're getting a lot of reflection, but I think the color might go really well. And I used to have one of those pockets on my phone before, and I really liked it. My phone wound up like taking a nosedive, and I got a new phone, and then I didn't do that anymore. I got a different phone holder, and like the Michael Kors holder fit my other phone, and then that phone bit it, and I had to get another phone, and it didn't fit in the same holder, and it kept falling out of the other one. So I just got a different one. I'm going with an OtterBox because I just cannot afford to like have my phone be breaking on me. So that's that. So the next thing is a Jules Smith cuff. It's the Jane cuff, and it comes in this little pouch. And I love pouches. I think everybody loves pouches. Mine is in silver. It also comes in gold, maybe rose gold too. So on this arm, I usually wear my David Yurman bracelet here. So I could probably just wear it like that, or I could put that in front and wear this one more up on my other part of my arm. So that I think that looks kind of cool. And I could take this one off, put it on my other arm with my Fitbit, and then just wear this one over here alone by itself. It's kind of chic like that too. Actually kind of really like that. I'm going to keep it on. Keeping that on. So that's that. The next thing is Tarte skincare. Now I got a bunch of Tarte different makeup packets from different boxes. I get a lot of subscriptions. And I love the Tarte highlighters and contours and stuff like that. I love them. Love, love, love. So Tarte is one of my favorite brands. And this is a clay multi-mask. I don't want to open it because I think that they only are supposedly good for like 6 months, and I'm not ready for a new mask at the moment, so I don't want to open it before I'm ready. But it's really luxurious packaging. Sort of looks like a stone in here, and very pretty. And Tight and Bright Clay Multi-Masker, and it's only a $40 retail value. However, just to note, everything in these boxes you're not paying the full retail value for. Because you're subscribing to the box, you get like the volume discount of all of the subscribers. And so I forget, I don't even know actually what the fee is. I want to say it's like $75 a season, but I'm not positive because it was a gift, and so I don't see the payment portion of it. But if you are looking for something for your holiday gifts, I know that I love my Box of Style from Rachel Zoe. I love my POPSUGAR, and I also love the FabFitFun. And there's others, but those are my top 3, I guess. So the next thing that I'll show you is this vitamins kind of a thing called Killer Nails, and it's by a company called Hum. Anyway, I don't really, my nails I get done, and I keep them shorter, like, you know, not totally short, but pretty short so that I can, you know, type and do things without a problem if I need to, and I don't know, whatever. But anyway, my hair, I don't ever mind my hair being longer and stronger, so I'll take a try at those. The other thing is Method in the Madness. This is a lipstick, and it's a nice mauve color called Manic Mauve, and I'll show you on my hand what it looks like. It's a nice fall color. I love the fall boxes because they're actually giving, you know, nice stuff for fall. I don't know if you can really tell, and plus, you know, your skin tone might be different from mine, but it's kind of marbleized. It's hard to see it in this light, but it is. I can see it. And this, I don't have any tissues here, but anyway, these kind of mauve colors I've been noticing for fall all over the place, even in metallic and shimmery shades. So this will go with everything. And I think that one of the recommendations is, like, if you do this on your, like, the mauve-y, like, subdued look on your lips, you could do subdued all over makeup, or you could do a smoky eye and the mauve on your lips for a nice kind of chic color as well. There's look, whatever. So moving on, the next thing is leather marbled Ballet Tray. So this could go, like, in your hall or in your bedroom, or anywhere that you would want maybe a little valet tray. It comes like this. It's a marbled leather, and these corners are supposed to snap together. Oops, it's funny, it doesn't want to stay. Whoops. Oh, that's tricky. Anyway, it's kind of staying together. I'll have to have my husband take a look at it. Sometimes he has a better touch for those kinds of things. But it's really pretty, and I think actually it kind of matches the colors that I did in my bedroom at the lake house. So if we can get it to stay, which I'm sure, you gotta just kind of mush it. Yeah, look, there it is. It's staying. You just needed a little elbow grease, if you will. But it has like kind of a nice darker out, like more masculine on the outside and maybe a little more feminine on the inside. So I think it would actually be nice in our bedroom or closet area, maybe for our watches or our phones or stuff like that, as a little catch-all. So that's kind of cool. The next thing that I'm seeing, and I think this is the last thing in my actual box. There are some bonuses, but this is the actual last thing in the box. It's an Umbra Pendant Accessory Organizer. Let me see what's the best way to show. And so they show this as like being able to put like scarves or glasses, probably necklaces or earrings and stuff like that. It's a sort of a rose gold tone. It's really cool. I think it retails for like $11.99. I don't know. I don't have it in front of me, but it's not that expensive on its own, but it's a cool piece, and I think that it's multifunctional. Like you could use it maybe in an area of your closet that's more pretty instead of just like functional. So it's kind of like that boutique-y look that I think we all love in the closet and stuff like that. So that's cool. And of course I had stuff to hang on that. The next thing are bonuses. So the first bonus is 5 fresh fall laundry secrets. And so this is, I think, from Clorox. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It comes with this little sachet. And it is Clorox. It is Clorox. So these come in every box as a bonus, and these are bleach packs that you throw in the washer. I'm wondering, it's pre-measured for easy dosing. I'm not sure the details about it, but I'm not sure if it's good for colors or just whites. So we'll have to, more information needs to be obtained, but this is great, like for your drawers. I love that. Yay. The other thing, of course, I love makeup remover wipes, and like just even if I don't have makeup on, just cleansing wipes for my face. And a lot of times if I'm just, if we're like relaxed after, a day or whatever and watching television, I even will just grab a wipe and do it while I'm watching television. So these wipes are really great. You don't even need a sink. You can just use them whenever and wherever. They're great for travel, and they're also great for home. And this is called the Makeup Melt Bliss Oil-Free Makeup Remover Wipes. I love Bliss. I love the W spas, and Bliss is the W spa. And I love Bliss. I love all kinds of Bliss products. Love me some Bliss products. So I'm sure I'm going to love these. And if you've used them, let me know if I'll be happy or disappointed. I'd love to hear your comments. The last thing are a pair of Liz Claiborne sunglasses. Whoops, where are we? And that's kind of an unusual big bonus gift. So they actually look pretty cool. Let me see. I haven't opened them. Oh, here we go. These are actually pretty cool. What's up? No, actually, I really do. I think these are kind of fun. Yay! Hi! Okay, so that's the box. I hope that you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'd love to hear any comments or questions. If you have anything that you got that was similar or different, I'd love to hear what other people are getting in their boxes that might be the same or different, and what they thought of them as compared to what I thought off the initial look. I haven't tried any of these things out. So if you have more information that might be helpful for me, I'd love to hear that in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.